Hey friends, I know it might feel like 2025 snuck up on us. Maybe some of us feel like we're not ready, we're not prepared for the new year. But in this video, I'm going to show you the few ways that I have prepared my mind, I have prepared my body and my house to welcome in the new year, welcome its new challenges, and welcome its new accomplishments.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to see like the top down. Oh, it's what's my way, live right now. So it's not less than another day. Don't you find out to see the moon? Nothing to say like the top down. Yeah, almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so out of
Alright, I need some much needed caffeine in my system, but since I'm going on a run later, I don't really want to do coffee because it will tour up my stomach. So we're gonna settle. We're gonna settle for some chai latte. I have been loving this at Starbucks. They have the oat milk chai latte, and I don't really want to spend the $5 every single time. So I'm gonna make it at home. Does it taste the same? No. Am I delusional? And am I going to say it tastes the same? Of course I will. Like, come on. So we're gonna make it with oat milk, and then we're gonna sit down and spend some much needed time with the Lord. I'm excited. That's good. That's really good. Y'all should try it. I know my cup is chipped, but are you really gonna judge me? It's cute. I didn't want to give it up. It's so cute and so seasonal. I'm gonna be drinking out this chip cup, okay? This is probably my favorite part of the day. Just sitting here, spending some time with the Lord, just getting ready for the day. I love it. Something about a Bible study will have you all ready to take on the world. Am I going to though? Oh my gosh, why is this TV not working?
I've known so much as yes. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
It just ruined my experience. YouTube. Good. I'm about to put on some worship music and just talk to him, really.
Jesus, your name is like oil poured out. Jesus, Jesus, your name, oh, it fills the room. Jesus, 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 oh, Jesus, 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 Jesus.
I just finished my Bible study. I read Jeremiah chapter 1 and 2. And honestly, it's such a perfect way to start the new year because in this book, God has appointed Jeremiah as a prophet over the people of Israel. And he's basically in Jeremiah that your purpose is to go out and tell the people about me, tell them to turn away from their sins and to come back to me so you may be holy as the Lord. And Jeremiah's like, wait, hold up, I am too young for this, God. I'm not ready for this. And the Lord just reassured him. He says, don't say that. Don't say you're too young, for you must go where I sent you. Whatever I tell you to do, you will do it. Don't be afraid of these people. And then he continues to tell Jeremiah in verse 18, today I have made you strong. I have strengthened you, and I'm going to empower you to go through this. And I had to sit back and really just assess myself because and I really had to repent because that's us. That's literally us on a daily basis. God calls us for a great mission. He calls, he puts a great purpose on our life. And a lot of times we're like, wait, God, what are you doing? No, I'm not ready for this. I wasn't, like, I'm not ready for this. Please, not yet. But the Lord, his timing is so perfect. His timing is so beautiful. He knows when you're ready and he knows when you're not. He would never give us a blessing that we're not ready for. And even if we feel like we're not ready, God will strengthen us. He will give us his power. He will give us his strength. It is not through our strength that we get up every morning and we walk in the path that he has set for us. It's not, by our strength that we're able to get up and do the things that he has called us to do. It is by his strength that we do everything. So that was really a little wake-up call for me. Like, girl, relax. It is not you that's doing it by yourself. You're not alone. The Lord is for you. He's not against you. The things that he has called you to do, he is going to help you through them. So don't be so frustrated with yourself. Don't be so anxious. Like, oh my God, what am I gonna do next? What's the plan? Like, just rely on the Lord. And I loved it. I've read and I am fueled up. I'm gonna go upstairs, change into some workout clothes, and we're going outside. We're going on a run. I need some sun, okay? It's been cold. It's so cold. But today it's like 60 degrees, 50 or 60 degrees, and it's the perfect time to just go outside and get some much needed fresh air. So I'll see you guys. Okay, I'm officially hungry, so let's go ahead and make some breakfast. Before I go shower, I need to go ahead and fix my desk. This is what she looks like, and there's stuff everywhere. There's different color schemes. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna fix it because I spend a lot of time here, whether I'm doing homework, recording, editing videos, or whatever it is. I like to sit here and get a lot of work done. But if it doesn't look like how I want it to look, I'm never coming here and my life is not gonna be productive. So this is one of my bucket lists to do before the new year starts. I want to take out some books and put them in storage. Some of these I've already read, so they can go. I have a drawer here, and there's literally every single thing in here. Whatever you need, this drawer has it. So I'm gonna clean it and make it more better. I just need better. So that's what we're gonna do. I think if I take everything off the wall and off the desk, then I'll have a clean canvas to work with. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna take everything off the walls. Oh, did you see that? I just threw that in there. This is such an easy spot to clutter and to just have random things in there. I need to not do that again. That has to be in my New Year's resolution. Stop throwing things everywhere. Save. I really want to read this book, but I'm currently reading 3 different books. So maybe one thing at a time. So this is gonna be the staying here pile, and then maybe this will be the. Hold on. I'm frustrated. Hold on.
One eternity later.
I fixed my books. I put away the ones that I'm not currently reading, and I have the ones that I want to read soon. And now we're fixing my highlighters and pen situation. These I use when I'm studying the Bible because they don't bleed through, and I like them very much. And these are like when I'm doing homework and I want to annotate and highlight. Okay, that doesn't fit. Now that my desk doesn't look as horrible as it did, we need to tackle these drawers real bad. They're so bad. There's too much things in there. I need to go ahead and organize them, see what I'm gonna keep and see what needs to be thrown away, and make it look better. Honestly, that's what I need to do. I am so glad that I was able to actually clean out my desk, and now it looks so much better. It looks more organized, so when I come here I'm not all stressed out because my things are everywhere. You know, it feels good. It feels really good. Not only did I clean out my desk, but I crossed something off my to-do list. And okay, pat on the back. It's the little things you have to celebrate. It's the little things, because if we don't celebrate the little things along the way, when we have these big gigantic goals staring at us in the face, we're thinking, oh my gosh, like, how am I ever going to accomplish this big goal? And that's why, you know, the long-term goals, the short-term, it starts with the short-term goals. Like, if, you know, my goal is to be a better runner by the end of 2025, But if I don't wake up every single day and put in that work and build that stamina, build that endurance, by the end of that year, I'm gonna be like, oh my god, I didn't accomplish my goal, and I'm gonna get stressed out. But it's because we didn't celebrate them little wins. I will celebrate the little wins and give myself a cookie. Speaking of to-do lists, I started doing laundry, but I didn't finish. So I need to put the things in the dryer. Yeah, I need to switch them, and then I need to go upstairs and shower. Okay, I stinky. I need to go shower. Then I gotta fix my bed, make it look all cute and presentable. And then we're gonna do some skincare because I need it. I need to just sit down, relax. The day was cool. It was cute. We did what we needed to do. But some skincare is definitely much needed, clearly.
There's a grace when the heart is under fire. Another way when the walls are closed. Another in the waters, holding back the seas. And should I ever need reminding of how I've been set free, there is a cross that bears the burden, where another died for me. All my dread left it there beneath the waters. I'm no longer a slave to my sin anymore. Whoa. And should I fall in the space between where I used to be and this reckoning, either way I will bow to the things of this world. And I know I will never be alone. There is another in the...
Thank you so much for spending the day with me today. I pray that this inspired you to start your new year reset, to reset your house, reset your calendar, make some goals, do a vision board if that's what your thing. I pray that this inspired you to get to prepare for the new year. So when you do walk into the new year and challenges are being thrown at you and obstacles are in your way, you have a plan and you have a goal and you have prayer on your side, so you don't feel so overwhelmed. I mean, we're still gonna be overwhelmed and anxious when it comes to certain things, but when you have a plan and you have God by your side, everything is a lot more simple. It's a lot easier. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and hit me comment down below. Let me know the goals that you have for next year and what you hope to accomplish in the next year. And I'll see you guys in 2025. Bye.